An electron is constrained to move along the y-axis with a speed of 0.1 c. C is the speed of light. In the presence of electromagnetic wave whose electric field is E is equal to 30J sine 1.5 into 10 power 70 minus 5 into 10 power minus 2 x volt per meter. The maximum magnetic force experienced by the electron will be given BE is 0.1 c along the y-axis and the direction of EM wave is along the x-axis. For the EM wave, E is equal to V cross B, which is equal to CB, or B is equal to E by C. The electric field is given along the J cap direction, so electric field will also be magnetic field is perpendicular to both the electric field and the direction of EM wave. So it is equal to E by C, which is 30 sine 90 30 sine 1.5 into 10 power 70 minus 5 into 2x upon C. B max will be E by C, which is 30 upon 3 into 10 power 8, which is 10 to power minus 7 Tesla. Theta is equal to 90 degree between the velocity of electron and the magnetic field. So the force exerted by the magnetic field on the electron is equal to QVV sine 90, which is equal to. Now we'll simply put in the values. F max is equal to E 0.1 C into 30, which is equal to 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 19 Newton. So the correct answer is option.